So let's have a look at how to maintain hierarchies in Essatto. We'll review an account hierarchy, a company hierarchy, and we'll create a new product hierarchy. But before I do that, I'm going to create a new report to show you how a hierarchy works. I'm going to use sales data in this example. And we'll use dollars to illustrate. Okay, so I've got my dollars total across all of my information. I'm now going to filter that using my products hierarchy. So I'm bringing my top level product. So I've got all products. I'm then going to break that detail down by category. So I've got beverages, food, etc. And I'll bring the next level of detail. Let's just keep food. And I'll bring in my lowest level of detail. So the way that hierarchies work is that as you change the items that sit under these categories, these totals are automatically recalculated in Essatto. It's also important to note that the information is not filterable only by product. You can also bring in year, and I can filter by customer too. So Essatto is multi-dimensional, so you can filter your data any way you like, and as your hierarchy totals or your hierarchy groupings change, all of the associated information is recalculated for you without you having to run any separate batch processes or linking spreadsheets, for example, to do that. So let's go to the hierarchy screen and I'll show you how hierarchies work. So under the data section of Essatto, I'm going to maintain hierarchy. Let's have a look at accounting. I'll pick up the account dimension. Okay, so each dimension in Essatto can have multiple hierarchies. So in the case of account, we've got profit and loss, balance sheet, etc. And what we're looking at now is a standard profit and loss hierarchy for reporting profit and loss across multiple companies. So these summary categories that you see are consistent across all of the different companies that we have. So income, for example, will provide a consistent figure for income across all our companies. It's made up of the sales accounts that belong to company 1 at the moment, and I'm going to bring in the sales accounts from company 2 as an example. So it works in a similar way to reports where you drag content from the left into its target location on the right. So I'll search for my sales accounts and I simply highlight them and then drag and drop them to where they need to go in the hierarchy. So the next time I look at income, it will be the sum of my company 1 accounts plus my company 2 accounts, giving me a total income figure that's consistent across the group, net sales, gross margin, etc. Let's have a look at a company dimension. Okay, so this is my structure for doing multi-company consolidations. So I've got company 1 and company 2 that sum up to give me all companies before eliminations. Then I've got this eliminations company which sums with this total to give me an all companies total. You can have as many sub groupings as you like and as many companies as you like. Let's create a new product hierarchy to illustrate how easy it is to create new reporting structures like this in Essatto. So here's the hierarchy that we used in previous examples for drilling. And you can see that the product hierarchy drills from all products category, in this example down to food, down to bakery, with some bakery products. We're going to create this part of the hierarchy for this demo. So I create a new hierarchy, call it bakery test 1 for the example. Okay, I'll pick my new hierarchy And to create it, I simply search for what I want on the left and then drag it to the right. All products. The next grouping was food. Then under food, we have bakery. And we'll just select some bakery products to put under there. So we'll grab these pies. And there you go. So that's the process. It's all drag and drop. And when I have a look at my bakery test hierarchy, it will provide me a grouping of these items summed up to bakery to give me food and then all products. Obviously I could keep adding to this as per the original product hierarchy so that I've got groupings across all my categories. So thank you for listening, and for more information please visit us at essatto.com.